Today I will talk about active income and passive income and which one I think is better. What's up everyone? I'm Andrew and I make videos about financial education. If you are a new viewer, smash the like button and make the subscribe button gray because gray will make your day. Also, click the notification bell so whenever I upload new videos, it will notify you. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Okay, let's get into it! First, let's talk about active income. Active income is money made from working hard for money and taking time out of your day to make that money. Active income is the most common way to make money and the harder way to make money. Active income schedule is like this. Let's say your job starts at 8:30 a.m. You wake up at 6 a.m. You get dressed, eat, and brush your teeth. Let's say that you took 1 hour to do those things, and now it's 7 a.m. Now you head to work, and maybe it'll take an hour to get there. Then it'll be 8 a.m. Then you work for 8 hours, and work ends at 4 p.m. Then you drive back home at 4:30. Then when you arrive, it will be 5:30. Then you eat, take a shower, brush your teeth, and that takes 1.5 hours. Let's say you sleep at 8 p.m. Now you only have 1.5 hours to do whatever you want. This is the regular day for people who are in the active income space. Now you might be thinking, wow, only 1.5 hours of free time? That's too little. I want more free time. Well, now you're in luck because I will cover passive income. Passive income is money that is working for you and giving you some freedom to do anything. You'll be playing video games, sleeping, hanging out with your friends, traveling, or doing whatever you want, and you still make money. You may ask, how does that work? And how do I get into that space? Well, here I have the answers. A good way to have passive income is to own a rental property and rent them out. Money is generated every month from your tenant to pay the money to live in your property. It's like receiving a paycheck except you didn't work for it. Another example of passive income is investing in dividend stocks. When you invest in a good company that pays dividends, you are part owner of the company. Let's say you invested in 100 shares of Apple stocks and Apple pays you 70 cents per share. Every quarter or every 3 months, Apple pays you $70 per quarter without you actually working in the Apple company. One thing you need to know is you actually need to put in some effort and work in order for passive income to actually work for you. For example, you research a rental property and make sure the property is in a good location. You research how to invest in stocks and pick good high quality stocks. You are putting your time into things that will create passive income. So always remember that you have to start on active income until you get to start passive income. My opinion is passive income is better because you have more free time and you can do anything you want while you get paid without working for money. I definitely want to have passive income. I want to enjoy life and be able to travel around the world. Just remember that passive starts with active. Nice! Now you know what the difference between active income and passive income is. You are now a couple steps ahead to becoming financially successful. Thanks for watching. Peace!